Hi, gentlemen and ladies. This is the Knife Detector, and I hope you guys are having a wonderful evening thus far. Hope you guys are spending time with your family. And I have another knife video for you today. This is a very, very well-known knife. This is a Case Sodbuster. And the Case Sodbuster is one of those knives that, like I've mentioned in some of my previous videos, that sometimes you feel a knife in your hand, you come across a knife, and then you say to yourself, why would I need anything else? You know, this knife, this Sodbuster is pretty much a jack of all trades. It's a wonderful knife to have. It's good for several types of applications. It's as comfortable in the kitchen as it is out in the ranch, you know. And let me give you an example of what I mean. Let's say, for example, you're outside and you need to cut some rope. This knife will go through rope, no problem. This is some rope that I happen to have outside that I was using to tie some tarps that I had outside. And let's say, for example, that you find yourself in the kitchen and you need to cut something in the kitchen as well. That's a pretty clean cut. I mean, I think you get the picture. This is one of those knives that it's pretty much at home, no matter what work you want to put it through or where you happen to find yourself. You know, this is one of those knives that just gets the job done whenever you need it to. It takes and holds a really good edge. I'm not an expert on Case knives, but for this particular model, it's a Case 2138 stainless steel. And it's a 4-dot. I think they're stars, but I've heard people call them stars. I've heard people call them dots because Buck uses the dot system. Let's say 4-dot. This puts it at 1986. So this is a 1986 Case Sodbuster. How much do you think I paid for this knife? I pretty much got this knife almost given to me, guys, but not quite. I found it at a pawn shop for $10. That's all in, taxes included, $10. And nobody picked this up for that. It also had an old ratty charade sheath, which I have since tossed away because it was falling apart. But for $10, guys, come on. I'll take that every day and twice on Sunday, man. That is beautiful. Take a look at this blade. When it was new, you could probably see that on the blade, etched there on the blade, is kind of like some farm equipment. And I don't know if that's a tiller or what that is, but it's some type of farm equipment that's etched on there on the blade. Very, very good knife to have around. If you were to buy this used, you could probably find one for about maybe between $20 and $35 used. If you want to buy this new, well, it's going to cost you a little bit more, but is it worth it? Yes. Like I said, this is a knife that's one of those knives that is just a good jack of all trades, all around nice knife to have. It's got brass pins. Check that out. I don't know what the handle material is made out of, but I think it's some type of a plastic or polymer. And the person who had it before me carved in 2 X's on there. I don't know if that meant something special to him or if he just liked Dos Equis beer. I'm not sure, but in any case, he pawned it, or it got pawned, and that's when I picked it up. I'm glad to have it. So for $10, guys, come on, can't beat this. So I just wanted to share this knife with you. This is one of those knives that's just a good all-around knife. It is a clasp knife. It is not a lockback. So it just it's a clasp design and does not have a mid-stop. Nice little snap closed. Nice snap open. No play. It's a very well-made knife. Wanted to share this with you guys. Hope you like this video. This has been the Knife Detector. Y'all stay safe out there. Please, please like and subscribe my channel. Thank you.